Hey everybody, welcome back for another car wash review. Today I am in Niagara Falls, Ontario, and I am here at an Esso gas station. They have a car wash here, and it is extremely busy. I wanted to do a before shot of the outside of the vehicle because my car is pretty dirty. Everybody's car is dirty because we had some wet roads and that, and a lot of dirt and that's on the vehicles. But this place is so busy. The lineup for this car wash, I've been actually sitting here for a good 20-30 minutes already, and I still have two vehicles in front of me. But the parking lot's got a small, it's very small. There's nowhere to get out of my vehicle to show. But trust me, the vehicle is dirty. You can see even my window. The dirt everywhere, but I will do an after shot even if I have to drive to a different parking spot. And it was Elevcan23 who recommended this one for me, or brought it to my attention after I did, I think it was a Petro-Canada review that I last did in Niagara Falls, and he commented on that video that there was this one here. So I was in Niagara Falls today and thought I'd come by and do this. I haven't done a review in a while, so I've been just so darn busy, and especially over the holidays, which I hope everyone had a great Christmas and New Year's. Mine was very busy, but for the most part it was good. So hopefully I can put up some new car wash videos in the near future for you. I'm going to be moving up a little bit here. Looks like this one I think is a Ryco Radius system. Not sure how old it is. I don't think this gas station is that old. Ryco Radius HT. So it looks like a fairly new system. So I don't think I've done one in a while actually that I can remember. Usually I have pretty good luck with these, so we'll see how this one does. You can see how dirty the guy's vehicle is in front. That's how dirty mine is. So we'll see when I get out how good of a job it did. So anyways, I'm going to pause this, save you guys the boring wait of this being available for me, and I'll see you when it's ready. Alright, well, this moved pretty quickly because the two cars in front of me both got express washes. So, my code is 25681. And this wash is normally $14.99, but with a gas purchase, which is what I got, it was $12.99, so I saved $2 there. And I did get the what they call the luxury wash, their top wash. Yeah, with the express wash, which, like I said, the last the two people in front of me, that's what they got. It's pre-soak, high pressure rinse, and that's it. It's just those two steps and you're gone. coverage isn't too bad. Not very colorful. Kind of an odd triphone. Was called the super polish that was done at the end there. I think it's like a polish and a spot-free rinse at the same time mixed. Okay. Like this is just, there's just nowhere to go here. I'm just gonna pop in this plaza here. Okay. Now we can have a look. Missed some dirt. Oh, yeah, because I can just easily wipe it off so it wasn't caked on. A little bit of colored trifoam and that running down there. Back looks okay, and it's usually pretty dirty. It's fairly dry too, drier than what I thought it was going to be. Yes, overall did a pretty decent job, other than, like I said, a little bit of dirt left up there. And I don't know if that'll leave water marks or not, but aside from that, it looks like it did a good job. So, let me know what you think of that one in the comments below. I think it's been a little while since I've done a Ryko radius. I can't really remember. It's like, usually for me, they either do a really good job or a horrible job, but more often than not, they do a pretty good job. So, can't complain. But my car was pretty dirty. Sorry, like I said, I couldn't do a before outside shot of it. There was just no room in that spot. If I had known prior, but like here's a white vehicle beside me, and like you can see how dirty. That's exactly what my vehicle looked like before I went in. So I mean, it was pretty dirty. So did a pretty good job. But anyways, that's my review for this one. Seemed pretty decent. Again, another special thanks to Can23 for letting me know about this one. And yeah, if there's any other ones that you guys know of that I haven't done yet, or maybe it's one that I've done before and they've changed the system or something, let me know in the comments below. I try to make note of it. I have kind of like a little database of car washes I haven't done yet that I need to go out to, and I just keep it fresh in my mind, so if I'm driving around and happen to be in the area of one, I do a review on it. So anyways, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching. Appreciate the support, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.